to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket. Take these lug studs out. When you go to take the last one out, you might want to hold the wheel so it doesn't fall. And slide it off. Using some needle nose pliers, I'm just going to grab the pad sensor and slide it up. There's a little clip right there that goes on that. And just slide this out of the way. You can take this off the bleeder. Now just using a straight blade screwdriver, I just want to unclip this, slide the wire out. There's another one right here, and another one right here. Slide that out. Take this panel down, use an 8mm socket, take these two bolts out. There's a push pin right here. Get push pin out. Just use a trim tool. There's another clip right here. Just use your screwdriver. Just get underneath there. Pop it off. There's a cover over here. Just pop the cover off. There's two clips on the top you have to fold over. You might need a pick if you can't grab it. It folds down. Then you can get to the connector. Slide the connector out. There's the lock on the connector. Push down on the lock and slide it off. Take the new sensor, line it up, and lock it in place. Put it back in the cage. Make sure the wires aren't near any pinch points. And this corner piece should go just like that. And you can close the door. Lock it down. And run the wire the same way it came off. So this is going to go on top. And the other one, we can close that, lock that down, and then send this up here. Now slide it back into the clips. Lock those down up here. Now line the brake pad sensor up with the brake pads. Push it in and secure it around the bleeder screw. Slide this panel in place. You can push the push pin in right there. Get the other bolts started. And tighten them down. Put the wheel on. Get the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. I'll go around again, double check.